Hello friends, is your cruise control acting weird? Does it stay on even when you try to turn it off? Or maybe it suddenly accelerates on its own? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0578, it means there's a cruise control multifunction input circuit stuck at high voltage. This could be caused by a faulty cruise control switch, stuck relay, or even a wiring short. So where is the problem? Let's find the exact sensor location and fix this issue. What is P0578? The P0578 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input A Circuit Stuck High. Your vehicle's cruise control system has multiple buttons that send signals to the ECU. If one of these signals gets stuck at high voltage, the ECU disables the cruise system for safety reasons. Common symptoms of P0578: cruise control won't turn off. Cruise control activates randomly. Check engine light, CL, is on. Brake lights may not work properly. Cruise control buttons become unresponsive. If you're experiencing any of these, let's locate the affected sensor. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0578, check these key components: cruise control switch, steering wheel or stalk. Location: on the steering wheel or turn signal stalk. This switch controls cruise activation and canceling. A stuck button can cause a high signal. Brake pedal position switch, brake light switch. Location: above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. If this switch is faulty, it may send the wrong signals to the ECU, keeping cruise control active. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location: on the throttle body, near the intake manifold. A faulty TPS may send incorrect data to the ECU, affecting cruise control behavior. Clock spring, inside steering wheel. Location: behind the steering wheel, inside the steering column. A damaged clock spring can cause cruise control buttons to send incorrect signals. ECU, engine control unit. Location: usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. The ECU processes all cruise control inputs and can disable the system if it detects a fault. Wiring harness and fuses. Location: under the dashboard and around the engine bay. Fuse box: loose or corroded wiring can cause high voltage signals, triggering P0578. Common causes of P0578: stuck cruise control button. If the on or set button is jammed, it may keep sending a high signal. Faulty brake pedal position switch. A defective switch can fail to disengage cruise control. Defective clock spring. A broken wire inside the steering wheel can send incorrect cruise control signals. Short circuit in wiring. Damaged or corroded wiring can cause the cruise control circuit to remain stuck at high voltage. Faulty throttle position sensor, TPS. If it's sending incorrect throttle data, the ECU may disable cruise control. Blown fuse or relay. A fuse in the cruise control circuit may be damaged. How to fix P0578. Step 1. Scan for additional codes with an obd2 scanner. If other codes appear, fix them first. Step 2. Check the cruise control switch. If the buttons are stuck or unresponsive, replace the switch. Step 3. Inspect the brake pedal switch under the dashboard. Replace it if it's faulty. Step 4. Check the clock spring inside the steering column. Replace if broken. Step 5. Inspect all wiring and connectors for corrosion or short circuits. Step 6. Test and replace any blown fuses or relays related to cruise control. Step 7. Reset the ECU and test the cruise control system after repairs. Ignoring P0578 can lead to unexpected acceleration issues, making your drive unsafe. Fixing it early will restore your cruise control system and ensure safe driving. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0402. Excessive EGR flow detected. P0403. EGR control circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.